Is GolfCast app really a fun and easy way to earn some extra money just by playing a small fun golf game, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael and I love testing different ways to make money online, and I have also tested quite a lot of different small games you can earn by playing, which can be a fun way to earn, and many viewers have then asked me to test out GolfCast and then make a video about it. So I decided to test it in this GolfCast app review. I'll give you an inside look and share my experiences and opinions so you can find out if it's really worth it or not. I have now logged into the GolfCast app and it is quite basic and simple. I just click to play and then you can see I'm now at a different level. I can scroll around there using the arrows down there to get a better overview. I just pull the screen and then I can shoot and get where I need to go, and I can and I just messed up a little bit there, you can see, but anyways, the idea of it is that I need to play and get up there and hit the hole up there. Of course, that's what golf, but this is more like miniature golf is all about, and then I can get some points doing that, and for every level I play I will actually earn. You can see the hole I need to get to is up there. Right now I'm at level 6, it says at the top, and I have 4 to the next special level, and I'll just move a little bit there so I can move forward, and you can see when I hit these ones there I can hit them more to destroy them and potentially earn more. I'm not playing that well right now, I know that. I'm kind of focused on just playing to talk. It's a little bit difficult, but you can see I got a hole in one there, or not hole in one, definitely not, but I got it in the hole there, and then I won, you can see, and that's kind of fun. And then I can watch a video to earn more strokes because I have limited strokes, so once you run out you need to do more offers and watch more ads and things like that to get more strokes. So there's not like a limit per track or per level you have, but you will just you will get the strokes. You can see how many strokes I have at the top. I have 31, and once they are used I can get more by watching ads and all these things, but you need to have those strokes. But that's one thing, that game is kind of fun, but how can you then get paid? That's of course one of the most important things to find out when joining a game where you potentially can earn by playing. So the thing is, for every level you complete, or usually within a certain amount of levels, and once you've completed a few levels, you will be told that you have won a certain amount of cash. I think I played 4 levels or so, and then I got a message saying that I had won 25 cents worth of PayPal cash, which is not a great reward compared to many other games where you can earn by playing. But anyways, if that was just it, that would be great. But then I couldn't take them out because you need vouchers. You can see I have -1 voucher for some reason up there, or I lack 1 voucher to be able to actually redeem the money I earned. It's very strange. And to get those vouchers you need to go, I'll show you, there's a little button where it says the vouchers there, so I need to click that, and then I get into this playtime where I need to download other apps. For example, I need to download this, and then you can see I would get some vouchers after a minute. So every time I play I will get some different vouchers, so I will need a certain amount of vouchers to actually redeem what I earn. So this is an extra step, and this playtime earn, there's a lot of apps that offers that, but this is the first time ever I have seen where you actually earn inside a game, but then you need to go and play other games to earn vouchers to get out what you have already earned. So that's definitely very, very strange, but I want to make it clear that you can actually potentially earn and get paid. I have seen people getting paid. Personally, I just think it is a waste of time because they have this extra step where you need to earn extra vouchers to be able to get paid. So to sum it all up, yes, you can potentially earn by playing the GolfCast game or app game, but I have just personally decided not to do it because it is a waste of time. You will just waste your time by having to play the game. Yes, that can be fun, and if you could be paid just to do that, that would be great. But then you have to use these playtime earn to earn vouchers to be able to get out what you already earned. That's just a complete unnecessary step, and why I gave up on it, because I just want to use the playtime earn games itself. I have a video about the best of those where you can just play and then you earn directly. There's no extra step, and that is why, in my opinion, GolfCast game is a complete waste of time. I will leave a link below to some better games you can earn by playing, where you get more out of your time, in my experience, in time anyway. So you can check that out if you want to. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make some extra money on the side online.